Hey everybody, so let's do a home smoke alarm search in Knoxville, Tennessee. So let's see what we find. This house was built in 2012, so we're probably going to have basic stuff. Oh, kiddas. That looks like an I12060A. Let's see if there's any combinations. How did I end up in the bathroom? Alright, let's see. Duh, I must have clicked the bathroom button on mistake. Yep, just the same. Same as the others. They're probably all going to be the same thing, I would assume. Master Suite has this just an I12060A. Is there only 3 in this house? No, there's 4. I think that, yeah, there's 4 in this house. Not really worth screenshotting. I don't even think those are original to the home. Those may be. Who knows? Those have been in production a long time. Let's see what's in this one. Oh. Neat chandelier. Is this going to be more promising? Maybe. Very promising. Not. Look at that. They're a missing smoke alarm. That's ridiculous. Oh, I see why it's missing. There's one right here. It's one of those first alerts, I think. Let's see, is there any in the bedrooms? No, there isn't. It seems like there may have been a vintage smoke alarm there at one point that they replaced. It's good that they decided to replace it, as I wouldn't rely on that in a fire, but it kind of makes it harder for me to stumble across good things. Why do you have commercial lighting in a kitchen? That's awfully bright. Those give me headaches. I would want to have those changed with better lights. I've seen these type lights with like these grate things, these cover things. I've seen these at the summit at Preston Trails, and the program I'm attending also has those. So yeah. I just thought I'd list the 2 main places I've seen them, which is the summit at Preston Trails and the program I'm attending. I've seen them a few other places. That's very interesting. So this house is probably from the 70s or the 80s. It's built in 73, so... Yep. That's an interesting home. I think it's interesting how it has that setup. Built in 2000. Okay, let's see. We may either have fire X's or... Oh. I stand corrected. Kidda P12040s. None of this stuff is worth screenshotting. I am tired today. I've not had a good week. So yeah, I've been pretty stressed. I've been busy with homework. That's why you haven't seen me really post that much or make any videos this week. So yeah, I thought I'm not gonna go in. I'm not gonna disclose. Mainly it's just that I've been busy working my mind off like crazy with homework. Yep. So yeah, thankfully I'm making progress. That's all that matters. So yeah, I'm making progress on whatever it is. There's a few other things that have been stressing me out, but since it's gotten better, I've finally been able to do videos. Because yeah, sadly, homework is more important than videos. That's the main reason. Cause when I'm stressed, making videos is actually makes me less stressed. Because I love making these videos and sharing my hobbies with you guys. So yeah. Oh, wait. I12060A, another one. Let's see. These seem to be everywhere. Even my house has them. Because I installed them back in November. Let's see, this house. Oh, it's from the 30s. Wait. House with ceiling panels. I have never seen this. Let's go in the dining room. It's pretty much empty. Floors are ripped out. This may be an undergoing renovation. Oh, and they took out the smoke alarm for the renovation, it looks like. Is this an abandoned house? Loading, please wait. Really? Oh, okay, it's loading like a map thing. Something similar to Google Earth. And then here's just a bunch of porcelain sockets. That's a lot of porcelain sockets. Why do you need that many? Oh, probably because of the renovation. This may have been abandoned at one point. At least they're saving the home. I have been to Knoxville once. And this was oh my gosh, it was an extremely long time ago. And I actually liked it there. I didn't like very many places back in the day. Oh, look at this. Why didn't I notice that? A system sensor. I've seen those many places. Oh, wow. Wow, code 1AD. Been wanting to find one of these for a while. Although these are pretty common from what I noticed. They come up on eBay a lot. I guess it's like the G6, but has battery backup. That's a giant chandelier light fixture. Or that's one of those really long ones. I've seen it like antique malls. This, I used to go visit, so quite often I used to go visit what's called the Plano Antique Mall. This was at this little mall called Plano Market Square Mall, which was kind of boring because there was no elevators. So instead of going there, I would go to Collin Creek Mall, Willow Bend, and Stonebriar. Those were the mains I went to as a kid. Fireworks Code 3AD, let's see. And that's where I saw those light fixtures at. I just always like to see what's in there because I was always curious. And if you're wondering why I have Victorian style lamps, no, I didn't get those from antique malls. I got those from family members. I got many of them from family members. And then I got one from eBay. The red one I got from eBay. And the that floral one that in that one test video I accidentally broke part of the shade off. That one I got from an antique mall in McKinney. I just wanted to get some antique stuff to go in my room. But yeah, let's see. It's pretty high ceiling. Is there any other smoke alarm? That one probably doesn't even have interconnecting if there's no other one in this home. So that may be the only one, and that system sensor. That's probably tied into a burglar alarm system. Let's see, that makes me think, oh, in a Demco. Does that say a Demco on it? Yeah, it's a Demco. I see the Demco logo. Let's see what's in here. Yeah, this is probably... Oh, i4618 ACs, I think. Depending on the LED. Yep, that's an i4618 AC. A Kidda i4618 AC. I think they're labeled as Firex, but those are really modern, so I just call them Kidda i4618 ACs. There's the i4618s, which were made like right after Kidda took over Firex in 2009, I think. They merged. And that's when the i4618s came out. i120608s, I think, came out around that time too. Or those have been in production for years. So those may have been in production since before they acquired Firex. Well, these do look similar to the FADCs. The reason why that's why I call those Firex i4618s. They're made by Kidda. So that I call them that because they say Firex on the back, and then they were made right after Kidda acquired Firex. And yeah, those, and then they have the i4618 AC. The i4618 ACs beep really, really fast. Code 3. Even my i4618 on my wall beeps really, really fast. I was amazed at how fast those do code 3. Those are faster than Family Guard FG200s, or not FG200s, FG83Rs. I already looked in that house. Oh, wow. Built in 2024, so this is brand new. Did I even look in that? Yeah, I may have. Yeah, that's 2016, so. Alright, we're gonna look in this one. 1984, so yeah, this one's more promising, I guess. Or no, it's been renovated, so not as promising as I was hoping. Oh, there's a really old light. Or I think that's an old light. That one seems pretty old too. I've never seen one like that. From the looks of, I thought it kind of looked like one of those high intensity lights that Mr. Andrew Ream's Diesel Ducey really loves. I have a couple, but I unwired them because I never used them and I needed the cords for smoke alarms. Okay, we're gonna... Why can't I get upstairs? But yeah, there's definitely been some updating to this house. It looks like there may have been like... I cannot seem to... Do they even get photos of like the upstairs? These 3D photos? I'm kind of confused. I cannot get upstairs. I want to see... it's just the first door. I can see it from here. Did they not get the bedrooms or something? I don't even know how to get upstairs. Okay, well, I give up. $1979. Let's see. This one does not seem to be renovated. Okay, there's ugly wallpaper that I would... And ugly carpet I would remove completely if it were me. Oh, the smoke alarm's been replaced. Alright, let's see. Is there anything upstairs or is that just an additional? Here's the hallway. It looks like there may have been something else. What's this? It looks like some type car enthusiast once. It looks like a car enthusiast originally lived in here, because there's like all these NASCAR related things and checker flag things on the fan blades, and then a checker light switch. So yeah, definitely a car enthusiast was in there. My uncle likes NASCARs. Oh yeah, that's definitely been replaced. That probably that probably replaced an '80s one. Oh, I like this living room. I've always thought these layouts were cool with the wood panels. You, you know the Summit at Preston Trails had wood panels in the elevator lobby for the West building. I think it's 17210. It's that Dover traditional that got modded by Fujitech. Oh, here's like a sunroom area. This is quite nice. I love these 80s style homes. I've always thought these were cool. Reminds me of when the Summit was original. Oh, they missed the smoke alarm. I think. Yeah, that's a vintage one. Oh, wow. I'm trying to think, have I seen this? Yep, they missed this one. What happened? Okay. That was a mess up screenshot. Let me try that again. Oh, it's a carbon monoxide only alarm. Okay, that's interesting. I've never seen this. I thought that was a smoke alarm. There's one of those cool looking 80s light things. This is 79. Oh, it looks like the garage is... This is huge. I would love to have a garage like this. And it seems like there's this workroom with these old can lights. And then that really old fluorescent light. I would definitely love to have a workshop like this. I would change the fluorescent lights that are in here, but with like porcelain sockets. But other than that, oh look, there's the breaker panel. But other than that, this is a huge garage that I would love to have, because that way I could do like a whole like fire alarm system out here. It would be like the SCR, which is another fire alarm enthusiast and a fire alarm enthusiast and smoke alarm collector's garage. You guys probably know who I'm talking about if you're a fire alarm enthusiast or smoke alarm collector. That Unitech smoke alarm still blows me away. I wish I had one. I think that's only been found once in a home search, if I'm remembering correctly. I don't know. At first I thought that recess light was a smoke alarm, but the smoke alarm's actually right there. It's an I9010, I believe it is. That carbon monoxide alarm was interesting. There's been better stuff. I've had better luck past few weeks. About a month ago, I found the SC6120B. And then about 4 days ago, earlier this week, I found the... Somebody said it's... their FX1218s. They all look the same, so I don't know which model is which. I would have to see the LEDs, probably. And I would have to hear the AC buzzer I would have to hear it going off to be able to tell. But they looked like That FX1014 I saw in a video. That was a very cool home. I just got this funny text with the hilarious pun. That's funny. You guys know me. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you guys probably know that I love puns. I'm an extreme jokester. There's some humors I don't like, but there's a lot of humors I do. 94618, or no, wait, that's not 94618, I don't think. It may be a combination. Let's go in this bedroom. We may be able to... Oh, it is an I4618 in the bedroom. Yeah, I4618. No, not worth screenshotting. Oh, next to a ceiling fan like the one in my room. That's gonna go wrong. But the majority of these are on the wall, which makes me think that they replaced something else. Well, there's a very good spot for this. Very great spot for this. No, I like sarcasm. I love potty humor. And I love puns and jokes. This friend of mine makes me laugh so hard. That's hilarious. I have some pretty funny friends out there. Oh, there's a carbon monoxide alarm. And if you guys want to hear some witty puns, I'll tell you guys some here in a second. Let's add a lot of humor into this. That's kid appropriate. I happen to see many kids that think farts are funny. I was one of them many years ago, and I still think they're funny. And as like, now I do not do fart spray I do not have cans of fart spray. I don't plan on getting one. That's because that's not kid friendly, I don't feel like. I mean, it's funny, but it's not kid friendly, and it can make some people sick, which is not the funny part. Now, whoopee cushions, on the other hand, yes, they're kid friendly. I had whoopee cushions when I was a kid, and I've seen many other kids on YouTube that have whoopee cushions. It's just too funny. I laugh like a kid when it comes to those. Yeah, I love whoopee cushions. I love pranking my friends that annoy me with them. That's my favorite part. Oh, first of all, 9120B, I think I saw. Those are okay, that I know of. Yep, there is one. I think those do have an end-of-life beep. I'll have to give my aunt the heads up. because she has some that they're probably going to do that when they're 10 years old. Oh, this is the one we already looked at. Did I seriously lose my place? Alright, let's see. Okay, now I remember where I'm at. Okay, let's see. 1962. Oh, wow. Come on, all these old houses and I haven't found extremely good stuff. I'm trying not to laugh. I don't want to add too much laughing to this video, but it's hard. Because I'm in a very goofy mood. Oh my gosh, why am I so thirsty? Okay, I am pretty stinking thirsty. Thankfully I have a water right next to me. Alrighty, there we go. Been trying to drink lots of water recently. I've been doing a decent job. Oh, I-4618, okay. Another one. Kiddas seem to be really common. Kiddas and fire X's around here. I found one code 3AD and then, or code 1AD. Code 3ADs have 2 LEDs. What's this one? Oh, 2003. Okay. Wait, haven't I already looked in this one? No, I have not. Oh, I-4618. Okay, so that's definitely been replaced. They must have strict codes over here or something. Oh, I-3 with the missing cover thing. Another I-4618. Third one. Oh, wow, I love the lights. I really want some of these. I badly want some, but I don't know where to get them. I will have to research. Oh, there's a dart board. I call it a fart board. Let's see. There's like a little lantern thing. And there is like, that's pretty cool. What is that? Is that a printer or no? That's a cushion of some sort. I wish it was a whoopee cushion. Cause that can make because I want to hear some fart sounds. Let's see what's down. How? I want these lights. That's pretty cool. Oh wow! So I see they have like. I'm gonna have to raise some shell about this if that's a turtle case. I thought that was a snake for a second. Why are there scissors? I don't know what these are. What reptiles live in here? Bamboo Spinner Blast. F Super Fire. That should say Firex Super Fire. When you have an FX1014 in it. I'm jealous. I wish I had all of those cool lights. A dome fixture in a kitchen. I've only seen this one other time, and that was at this cabin I stayed at many years ago. I thought about staying at one again soon, so if I do, I'm gonna make a little video of this, of like a little smoke alarm tour. So yeah, I definitely plan on doing that for you guys. I just gotta find the time, because I'm very busy these days. And I want to go to Kentucky in the next couple months. Oh, wood panels. Office. A giant TV. I would love to watch some SpongeBob on that. Because I love SpongeBob. That's one of my favorite TV shows along with Family Guy and Big Bang Theory. Big Bang's funny. I love Sheldon. Where do I find all these vintage houses? Okay, 62. Is this one I already looked at? Doesn't seem like it. Let's see. Yeah, this looks old. Oh, yeah, they must have a strict code in this city. Because the majority of the smoke alarms have been... Oh. No. No. Finally, I found a GE. I stand corrected. Those other ones may have been added, but this GE was here originally. Honestly, I would have taken this GE down and put it in my collection if it were my choice, like I did. Well, I had taken down that CO5120B. Either way, I would have taken it down. I wasn't into smoke alarms when I had to take it down because it didn't work. It just made this weird beeping sound that was very, very, very quiet. Like, I almost didn't hear it, but I was curious because I was up there. I was sitting up there doing something and it was doing that, and I noticed. And then the LED was blinking, so like every 2 seconds, I think it did that. It's done that to me a couple times this past month. I can get it to test and all that. So I had to take it down because I didn't, because you know carbon monoxide cannot be seen or smelled but can kill you. And because I wanted to be able to be notified when there were, first door at 9120B. That's a weird spot for a light fixture. I'm surprised they don't have it next to that smoke alarm. I wouldn't say it's a bright idea. I think with it, I'm gonna have to call this a day within the next few minutes. I'm tired. I don't think we're gonna have anything good. Wah, 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 wah. Okay. I decided to do that to be funny. Alrighty, yeah, there's nothing good, so I'm gonna call it a video. I'll probably do another one of these later. Alright, please leave a like, comment, rate, and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.